Hello, my dear students. Sat Shri Akal. I'm Jagmeet Singh from GGN Institute of Management and Technology, Ludhiana, Punjab, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Applications. Now, this is my fourth digital lecture on a topic that is closest to my heart and my favorite one, programming. In my teaching journey since 2007, lot of students many of the times ask me, sir, why we are doing programming? ਅਸੀਂ programming क्यों कर रहे हैं? So today I have decided to make one digital lecture on a topic, why programming? Why we are doing programming? Because computer is just a dumb machine which can't do anything by itself. It is the user who tells computer what to do. Once we taught about a particular task to our computer, it will completely obey our instructions. But again, I will say, it will not do anything beyond that, which we have not taught to our computer. Programming is more about problem solving. How to understand the given problem, how to analyze it, and finally, how to find the solution to a problem. Programming ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝਣਾ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਵੇਰੀਅਸ ਆਲਟਰਨੇਟਿਵ ਸੋਲੂਸ਼ਨਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਇਡੈਂਟੀਫਾਈ ਕਰਨਾ ਐਂਡ ਫਾਈਨਲੀ ਸਭ ਦੇ ਮੈਰਿਟਸ ਐਂਡ ਡੀਮੈਰਿਟਸ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਕਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਬੈਸਟ ਸੋਲੂਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਆਊਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈਂਸ learning to program is important because it develops analytical and problem solving abilities in real life also. Basically, computers are built in for purpose to do one thing that is more important, to make things effective and simplified for us. As a user, I will instruct computer to do my desirable task. And basically, programmer is a person who design and writes computer programs for us. He is one who anticipates the need of user, and he is the one who know the ways of the program and develop user-friendly software and applications for us. The person who will finally use the developed software or application will be the end user for whom programmer is doing programming. Now, computer programming is directly related to the machines which will be use ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਿੰਗ ਹੁਣ ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਰਸ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਨੂੰ ਸੀਕੁਐਂਸ ਆਫ ਇਨਸਟਰਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੱਸੂਗਾ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਟੂ ਦਾ ਰਿਕੁਆਇਰਮੈਂਟਸ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਦ ਐਕਟ ਆਫ ਟੀਚਿੰਗ ਦ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਹਾਊ ਟੂ ਡੂ ਅ ਪਾਰਟਿਕੂਲਰ ਟਾਸਕ creating instructions or sequence of instruction to enable computer to do something is computer programming. A very important term, programming, is sometimes romanticized as a solo activity where brilliant known programmers work late into the night to write a code. But this is not true for every software, because developing a software is a team sport and team thing. Now, logic, a formal set of rules that can be followed to make a clear decision, but it is the most trickiest terms of programming. ਹੁਣ students ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਸਰ logic ਕਿਵੇਂ develop ਕਰੀਏ, and mostly I have given the same reply to them that practice and again practice will help them to develop a logic. Logic ਦਾ ਕੋਈ capsule ਤੇ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੋ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ prescribe ਕਰ ਦਵਾਂ. So only one solution, do your hard work and try to solve same problem in different ways, and this will help us to develop a logic. A key skill for programming is knowing how to write a code in an appropriate programming language, and more important is how you understand the problem and further how you break it into series of programs. Problem ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝਣਾ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ small programs ਚ divide ਕਰਨਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ. This is known as modular approach, and this is a key skill for every programmer. For that, there are many programming languages which are available in the market, such as C++, Java, Python, etc. I think it must be clear to everyone why we are developing programs. Program is a set of instructions to do meaningful tasks which is compiled and executed by a computer. For example, in order to teach the computer on how to calculate average of three numbers, we need to give multiple instructions to the computer to do the task. Here we will understand how we write a simple program. In instruction 1, get first number and store it in A. Then get second number, store it in B. Again, get the third number and store it in C. Finally, add A, B, C and store the result in sum. Then divide the sum by 3 and store the result in AVG variable. And finally, display the average. Now, programmer has given the desired output to us. Now, what is the difference between source code and object code? The set of instructions written in any language other than machine language is called source code, whereas the set of instructions written in machine language is called object code or machine code. Source code is directly understood by the users, and language translators are the tools which translate the source code into the object code. Now look at the example. Here the instruction x less than 3 is not understood by the main memory because it is in a high level language. So for that we need some tool which is known as language translators, which are compilers which will convert source code into the object code, which is directly understood by the machines. On इस पिक्चर जो देखो, main memory instruction after transaction will be stored in a machine language, which is a binary language, and it is in the form of 0 and 1. Main memory 10 form अपनी instruction store होएगी. Now bug is an error. Small or minor errors can affect our output, whereas major errors can stop the working of entire program. So we will avoid the bugs. How to find the bugs? For that we will use the term debugging. Debugging will help us to find bugs. It is the process of error detection and correction, where errors or bugs are identified by the compilers. And how to rectify the identified errors? It is the sole duty of programmer who will rectify all the errors. Now, future of programming. IoT, Internet of Things, is the future of programming. In 21st century, code is everywhere, and smartphone is a tool which justify my statement, because nowadays everyone is carrying mobile phone, which is like a mini computer, and with the help of smartphone we can take them at any place in our pocket. Now anyone can dream for this smart home, which is totally automated and making our life easier, but this can happen only because of programming. So I think I have justified my today's topic, and I think तो मेरा काम पसंद आया होगा. Thank you very much.